Welcome to lesson 5 of Introduction to Tapping. In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to use tapping to affect physical symptoms in the body and how to reduce stress associated with pain. A little disclaimer here. I won't ever promise that tapping can get rid of pain or cure any diseases, but we know that stress can cause disease and other symptoms in the body. We also know that it has been shown time and again in many gold standard studies that tapping reduces stress. And by reducing stress, we can affect how we process pain and other symptoms. I would encourage you to try tapping for any physical symptoms that you want to transform. It could be pain, twitches, tinnitus, headaches. Why not give it a shot? You have nothing to lose. There's even research being done on using tapping to improve vision. Give it a try. Even if the physical symptoms don't change, your feelings of stress associated with those feelings will likely decrease, making them easier to endure. I recommend using my method of jotting down your symptoms, feelings, thoughts, and emotions around the physical issue or pain on one side of a page, and then on the other side of the page, writing down how you want to feel, how you will feel when the issue subsides. You may also want to write down all of the things you'll be able to do once the issue has been resolved. Start by tapping with a setup statement on the side of the hand, and when you're ready, move to the full round, starting with the issues, symptoms, and feelings, and eventually moving into how you want to feel. Giving yourself permission and compassion to release what needs to go so that you can allow in all of those better feelings. Okay, I'll guide you through a general practice now, and you can fill in any words that are specific to your situation. But start by rating your pain and the intensity of the physical issue on a scale of 0 to 10, with 0 being no pain at all, doing just fine, and 10 being the absolute worst pain or annoyance with the issue. And this would be a great time to grab a big drink of water. All right. Take a deep breath into the belly and exhale with intention. Good. And begin tapping on the side of the hand, repeating after me, changing any words that you would like, and adding in any language that is specific to your issue. I've been experiencing so much pain. This pounding or stabbing pain. I feel like no matter what I do, I can't ease this discomfort. It's causing me so much stress. And I want it to stop. Even though I'm experiencing this discomfort, I still deeply love and accept myself. Even though I am suffering, I am choosing to honor my feelings. I'm choosing to honor my body. And I'm giving myself an extra large dose of compassion today. And I am inviting in some relief. More than anything, I want this to change. And I am forgiving myself for being in this situation. And maybe anyone or anything else that got me here. I'm cracking the door open to relief. I'm letting some light in. I'm taking action to transform this discomfort. And I'm choosing to feel better. Okay, take a few deep breaths here. And see if you can send that breath to the area where you want to change or find relief. Imagine that breath cooling or cleansing that area. You can close your eyes here if you want to. And with the exhale, releasing whatever needs to go. Big intentional exhale. Maybe even let out a growl or a scream or a cry, whatever you need here. Let's do that again. Remember, tapping is moving energy. So if tears or sighs or anything else comes up, allow that to flow. It will help you transform the physical part much faster. Okay. Now, notice if any new thoughts or feelings came up while you were tapping. And if so, jot them down on your paper. And when you're ready, let's move into the full round of tapping, starting at the top of the head. After each statement, you can move to the next tapping point. And if you don't have your points memorized, just follow along with me. All right. All of this pain, 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 all of this pain. I feel terrible. So much pain. I really can't take this anymore. All of this pain. This pain is ruining my day. This pain is so distressing. It's affecting my life in so many ways. And feel free to get really specific here about how it's affecting your life. And I'll give you some extra time after each statement, or you can pause here and work through your specific symptoms. So much pain. I want this pain to stop. What if I could shrink it down? I'm imagining that now. Shrinking it down with each tap. Seeing that pain getting smaller and smaller. Until it's the size of a bean. And I'll say, thank you, pain, for sending me a message. I've got it loud and clear. Message received. And I'm ready to let you go. I'm ready to move on with my life. So I'm throwing you out. I'm throwing this pain far out into a field. I am releasing it. So that maybe this pain can sprout somewhere else. Maybe as a flower or something even better. I'm releasing this pain from my body. I'm releasing this stress from my mind. I'm letting it go. I'm letting this pain go. Okay, good. And take another sip of water if you have some. And now that we've cleared out some of those symptoms and feelings, we are going to move into more positive statements here. If you're ready, if you feel like your discomfort has eased enough, go ahead and join me, starting at the top of the head and repeating after me. I'm letting you go. And as I've shrunk you down and released you, I've created a space for ease. I've created a space for rest. And I've recreated a space for renewal. I'm ready to receive this transformation, to feel better and better, to feel stronger and healthier. Because I deserve to feel good. I deserve to have peace in my body. I deserve to have a great day. I'm calling all of these good feelings in. I'm taking back my body. I am in control. I am choosing to feel good. I am choosing to feel free. And I am choosing peace. All right, beautiful. Take another deep breath in. Maybe close your eyes down if you haven't already. Big exhale. Beautiful. And as you're breathing deeply and slowly in and out, keeping those eyes closed if it feels good, imagine now a bright golden light coming in through the top of your head. A bright golden healing light pouring in, shining all the way down your body, cleansing and clearing, healing and transforming. Feeling the lightness, feeling the ease, feeling that in your bones, in your muscles, in your cells. And take your time here and really experience that. Beautiful. And when you're ready, coming back to the room, and notice what number you are on the scale of 0 to 10 now. Again, with 0 being feeling really good, pain-free, and 10 being the worst pain or symptoms. And if your number is still high, try another round or start this one over. Otherwise, don't forget to drink lots of water. This was a big one. Allow yourself to rest, and hopefully this was a really beautiful energy release for you. I'll see you again here soon for our final lesson, which will be a fun tapping because tapping doesn't have to be all serious. I'll teach you how to use tapping to improve your mood and build confidence, how to tap into a great day, and how to create a positive morning tapping practice for yourself. And if you would like to share, I would love to hear what your starting and ending numbers were for this lesson. Thank you for joining me. I would love to hear any questions you have, and I'm wishing you all a lot of ease.